Every single day we're sending information through the air using stuff like radio waves and light. It's how our phones and Wi-Fi work, right? But what if we could use the actual building blocks of life to send messages? That's what we're going to talk about. It's this incredible idea called molecular communication, where data isn't just a stream of ones and zeros. Nope. It's actually encoded in the molecules that are literally all around us.
Okay, so how on earth do you actually send a message with molecules? Well, it all kicks off with these super tiny biological nanomachines that act as the sender. They take the information and basically write it onto what we call messenger molecules. And the ways they do this are just so clever. For instance, you could use the concentration of the molecules. A thick cloud could mean a 1, and a really thin, sparse cloud could be a 0. Simple, right? Or you could get even fancier and use different kinds of molecules for different bits of data. You can even encode info by sending a very specific number of molecules, or by controlling the exact timing of when they get released. It's this incredibly flexible system.
All right, so the message is sent. What happens on the other side? Well, once those messenger molecules get to their destination, there's another set of nanomachines just waiting for them. And these aren't just passive observers. They don't just count what shows up. The moment they receive the molecules, they kick off a very specific biochemical reaction. And get this, that reaction is the decoding process. That's how the molecular signal gets turned back into data we can actually use. It's a full-on communication cycle, and it's all happening on a scale that's almost impossible to wrap your head around.
So what's the big takeaway here? This is so much more than just a new way to send data. It's a complete shift in thinking, right? We're moving away from the physics of waves and diving headfirst into the chemistry of life. We're essentially creating a brand new language that could let microscopic devices talk to each other, and maybe even talk to our own cells. I mean, just think about it. Imagine tiny little robots delivering medicine exactly where it needs to go inside your body, or microscopic sensors that can sniff out individual pollutant molecules. As we get better at speaking this new language, what are we going to be able to build? Honestly, the possibilities feel just as vast and complex as life itself.